Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James, the Chart Guys. It is Wednesday, December 27th. I'm going to do my nightly video on gold. So I would not call the top on gold yet. People keep trying to call the top on gold here until I see a lower high on the daily. And you can see that the upper Bollinger Band's opening up here. So we have yet to form a lower high on the daily. Every day since this reversal candle has been a higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. You get the point. So first thing I'm going to look for at least some short-term consolidation is, again, on the daily, going to be a lower high to be formed. And so it would be, on this candle, it would be a close on anything staying under 1293.20. Even if we close below it, if we get above it, that means we're still setting higher highs. And if we do set a lower high, then I'm going to look for a candle, the next candle, to set a lower low on the daily. So if this were to form, let's say at the 1287 level, then I would look for the next day to break that 1287 level, showing me that we still are in consolidation, potentially going to back test the 4 and 8 EMAs at some point here, with this daily candle today being so far above, or being above the 4 EMA. But bulls are in full control. Longer term, again, you need to keep an eye on this weekly chart. Weekly chart, high, lower high, lower high. So this is going to be the next big test for the bulls, is going to be at 1301.30. Need to break that 1301.30 to show that we are forming a higher high on the weekly here. So if we do take this level out, you can see that the volume is clearly declining. I would like to see an increase in volume from last week. Last week's volume on this weekly, if we are to break this 1301.30. I'd be a little bit wary if we break that 1301.30 with decreasing bull volume on the weekly. We'll have 2 more trading days to go. It is a short week, so I would want at least equal volume or close to equal volume with 1 less trading day that we've had this week. But definitely need to keep an eye on the volume with it coming up to this resistance at 1301.30. Clearly today, the miners were weaker. Let me remove this. Were weaker than gold was, where miners were showing much more weakness than gold today. So what I would do here on something like JNUG is, you can see that the hourly is forming higher lows. So we had a low at 1243, then we had a higher low at 1264, then we had a higher low at 1771. And so if you see that trend change, I would be wary of miners showing me that we may start setting lower highs on these bounces and breaking lower lows. So we need to watch these hourly supports here on the miners, whether it's JNUG or NUGT. In UGT, same thing, higher lows on the hourly. You can look at almost any miner here, miner ETF. GDX, let me see GDX, low 2311, low 2311. That 2311 is a double. GDX is not looking quite as strong on these higher lows, so I'd watch that 2311 level into tomorrow, or see how we open up tomorrow. GDXJ, same thing, higher lows on the hourly. So that's really important to watch. With miners showing weakness compared to gold, and it could be an early signal that gold's going to be consolidating in this near coming future. And if you look at gold on the hourly, clearly see that we're setting higher lows on these hourly pullbacks here. Higher low, higher low, higher low today still. So if you see a lower low on the hourly, that's going to be your first early signal that gold is going to consolidate further. So look at these hourly higher lows on these pullbacks, or look at a 4-hour chart, doesn't matter. And so 4-hour chart, same thing, higher lows here, higher low on consolidation, higher low. So the level to watch on the 4-hour chart would be 1286. Hourly chart should be same. Look at the hourly chart. Hourly chart, I would look at this low right here, 1280 at 1287.20, to form a lower low on the hourly. So those are the levels to watch. The hourly chart could give the first signal or clue. And again, daily looking for a lower high to form on gold. As far as the US dollar goes, longer term chart, I'm going to be closely watching this daily chart, as again, it looks like a potential head and shoulder chart here. And if dollar bulls are unable to maintain above 92.496, that's going to be a significant break. So we have this left shoulder, this recent top, unable to form a higher high here on the daily. And so if we break this level here of 92.496, that's going to be a win for the bears on the US dollar and could bring the bulls to flying into gold. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.